open. Do you think you want me up there with you guys or head down it? You better go check out what's going on in Downer. Sounds like there's a few semis there too.
Highway 71 mile marker 214, just north of Bertha for a vehicle.
You might want to take a look at what's unfolding downtown. It sounds like things are getting serious there too. A powerful winter storm slammed into the American Midwest during Thanksgiving week in 2025, hitting Minnesota and Michigan the hardest. A fast advancing system sweeping out of the Rockies dragged in frigid Arctic air and enough moisture to unleash heavy snow, fierce winds, and a sudden plunge in temperatures. In Minnesota, a light rain that began Tuesday afternoon quickly shifted into thick, blowing snow by nightfall. Wind gusts above 40 miles per hour shredded visibility, turned highways into sheets of ice, and threw holiday travel plans into chaos. Across the Twin Cities, Duluth, and the Arrowhead region, snowfall ranged from 6 to 10 inches, 15 to 25 centimeters, with some inland locations topping 12 inches, 30 centimeters. The National Weather Service issued warnings urging residents to avoid unnecessary travel as temperatures threatened to fall below minus 18 degrees Celsius 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Michigan faced a two-stage assault. The first wave, from November 25th to 26th, came from a fast clipper system sweeping in from the west. Heavy snow blanketed the Upper Peninsula and areas near Lake Superior, while lake effect bands intensified conditions around Lakes Erie and Ontario. A second surge was forecast for early the following week as the polar vortex dipped south, dragging even colder air into the region. Snow totals reached 20 to 35 centimeters in some parts of Michigan, with the worst conditions close to the lakes, making this one of the most treacherous Thanksgiving travel periods in years. Major highways buckled under the storm. Sections of I-94 in Minnesota and I-75 in Michigan were shut down after multiple accidents and increasingly dangerous conditions. Airports were overwhelmed. Minneapolis, St. Paul logged over 150 canceled or delayed flights, while Detroit Metro counted more than 200. Local transit systems also suffered, with buses and trains running hours behind. Traffic accidents surged. Minnesota State Police responded to more than 400 incidents in a single day. One of the largest unfolded near St. Cloud, where over 25 vehicles piled up on I-94. Dozens suffered minor to moderate injuries, though no deaths were reported. Officers cited whiteout visibility and icy pavement as the main culprits. Michigan's situation was even more severe. Over 600 traffic accidents in the first 48 hours. Near Kalamazoo, an interstate bus lost control, crashed into a guardrail, and injured more than 20 passengers. In the Upper Peninsula, an overturned semi shut down a major route for hours, and a 40-car pileup near Flint forced an extended closure of I-75. The storm didn't only disrupt travel.
Just cleared it open. Do you think you want me up there with you guys or head down it?
It also tore into energy systems. Heavy, wet snow and fallen trees knocked out power to more than 50,000 homes in Minnesota and 70,000 in Michigan. Repair crews battled brutal cold as they worked overnight to restore electricity. Schools were closed across both states, and emergency warming centers opened to shelter vulnerable residents. This storm revealed how quickly the Midwest infrastructure can be pushed to the edge. Highways gridlocked, airports filled with stranded passengers, and emergency responders were stretched thin. Meteorologists warn that climate change may fuel more frequent and intense winter storms, creating increasingly unstable weather patterns. The chain reaction crashes near St. Cloud and Flint illustrated the deadly mix of holiday travel and extreme winter conditions. With visibility reduced to just a few meters, even cautious drivers struggled to avoid collisions. Experts urge travelers to respect storm warnings, delay trips when possible, and prepare their vehicles well before winter begins. Another high-profile crash in Kalamazoo, where a bus skidded and slammed into a guardrail, underscored the danger of crosswinds and icy pavement. More than 20 people were injured, highlighting how a single mistake in a snowstorm can endanger dozens. The late November blizzard that swept across Minnesota and Michigan became one of the most notable weather events of 2025. With deep snow, brutal cold, damaging winds, and widespread accidents, it reminded residents of the importance of winter readiness. Transportation networks, power systems, and public services were pushed to their limits, forcing thousands of people to rethink their holiday plans. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Winter's just getting started.
Just cleared and Wilkins. Do you think you want me up there with you guys or head down or?